Hello everyone, always wondering how you can make money by just sitting at home? Big question, all the time thinking, worried, stressed. Don't you worry, we have really good solutions to go on. Google Translate. You must be wondering, well, how? Google Translate can give you money. Yes, of course it can help you. There are many languages which you can translate from English to another language, from another language to English. It depends on what language you're going to work. And the websites provide you. I will be showing you some of the websites which can provide money for translation. It's called the transcription work. There are many companies which provide penny for doing this job from home. So let's get to work. Here's one of the websites which can provide very good penny but small. It's called the GMR transcription. What you have to do is just type www.gmrtranscription to become one of the parts of the GMR transcriptions. Go to careers, click on it. There you can see types of transcription jobs they are providing. General transcription or Spanish transcription translators, certified translators. What you have to do is just click here to apply. The great part for this is they don't need any fees or experience required. All you have to do is just translate what jobs they are going to provide you. Let's go to the next one. Of course, yes, the next one. I will be showing you some 2 to 3 websites of the same method, of the same job, transcription. It's called gotranscription.com. Go there and you can see there are many people who provide jobs and everything is being under control. What you are going to provide them by translating is being reviewed, proofreading is done, and quality checking is done. Then it's provided to the customer. For transcription jobs, what you have to do is just go to click at the end of the page, work. Yes, work. There you will go to the page. You can see here it's providing up to 0.60 for per audio or video translated. Yes, the average monthly payment that it's done is $150 and the top earning in a month is $1,215. Yes, $1,215. Go ahead and apply now. To get started. Oh wow, a small amount of money, but a great help for those who are sitting at home. You can also refer your friends and ask them help for doing the job. Go ahead and start earning the money. All you need is the laptop and your knowledge of just using the laptop. Nothing else is required. It's all from home. Just sit, relax, grab a coffee and start your business. To the third one. It's called transcribeme.com. Yes, www.transcribeme.com. Go to the page, you will see all the features they are providing to their customers. And 2 million qualified and skilled team members are there. One can be you. So go ahead, without thinking, grab the translation job through Google Translate and start making money. All you have to do here is just click on jobs and get started. They will provide you all the fields you need to apply. The highest paid website can be this only, from $15 to $22 per audio per hour. Imagine per hour, if you're gonna work 6 hours, 8 hours, you will get your own earning as per your work. Oh wow, you're making money now. Start your business and start earning. Google Translate. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like for more videos.